Hey guys, what's up? Eli here. I just created a very quick 5-minute mindset video that I'm about to release as part of a paid mini course. But you know what? I thought this 5-minute mindset is so valuable and that everyone needs to hear it regardless of whether they get the course or not. So I'm going to be sharing this module with everyone. It just goes for 5 minutes. It's about how you can improve your mindset, some of the things that you need to recognize, and why mindset is so important. I really recommend anyone and everyone watches this, guys. If you get a lot of value out of it, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Also, click the link below. Come join the free Facebook group. Would love to have you in there. Hope you get a lot out of this video, guys. I'll see you soon. Bye. Hi, guys. This is 5-minute mindset, e-commerce, the key to success. Having the right mindset is the most important aspect of running your entire business. Nothing is more important than your mindset. There is a steep learning curve to e-commerce, to what you're embarking on. Understanding that the key to success is consistent effort over time. The reality is that you can lose money doing this. Now, if you are not comfortable with that, then this is not for you. Understand that you need to do whatever it takes. If you're the type of person that whinges and complains, then straight up, this is not for you. Go work at Uber, because we're here to win. This is not a get-rich-quick scheme. You are not going to get rich overnight. You are going to face hurdles. The key is to keep going and to not let anything stop you. Understand that success is just the byproduct of the hard work that you put in. The more work you put in, the more success you will get out of it. Focus on improving your skills. You first need to focus on becoming good. Then you want to focus on becoming great. Then lastly, you want to focus on becoming masterful. Your focus and priority should be on the process and not on the result, because the result is just a byproduct of the process. Those that can master the process and improve their skill set and improve their mindset, they will be the people that will get the results. Do the work and take action. If all you do is listen to this and you don't do anything with it, I promise you, nothing will ever change for you. Solve problems yourself. You are going to face problems. If you are embarking on this, you are going to face problems that at the time will seem insurmountable. But it is those people that succeed are those that are resourceful enough and self-reliant enough to figure it out. You will get through it, but it's up to you to be resourceful and self-reliant to go figure it out. Do not play the victim. Understand that you are responsible for where you are right now. You are also responsible for where you will be tomorrow. So take that responsibility. Accept responsibility that you are the reason you are where you are financially, mentally, and physically right now. But also understand it will be up to you where you are tomorrow. Okay? Will you be in a better place than you are today? That is up to you. Stay humble. Successful or not, understand that there are always people doing much better than you. You want to use this to stay hungry and to drive you forward. If you are experiencing massive success, understand, enjoy that success, but understand that there are people who are out there that are doing numbers that make what you are doing seem like it's nothing, okay? Understand that people out there are doing way better than you, and then use that knowledge to stay hungry and to drive you forward. You will only fail when you give up. Everything else is just a learning experience. There is no such thing as failure unless you give up, you throw in the towel. Everything else that you do is just learning. You will find the people that are the most successful are the people that have had the most quote unquote failures. It's just that learning experience over time. You will face difficult situations. I've said this already, but you will face a ton of difficult situations. But it is these same situations that will give you the feedback that you need to stimulate your growth and to push you forward. It's those hard situations that will make you stronger, that will give you the feedback that you need to improve, and will make you grow as a person. I did not make this 5-minute mindset to scare you. I made this to help you get into the right frame of mind and to help you understand what it really takes. Because as you go, just remember that there is a learning process to all of this, and everybody started at the same point and everybody has to go through it. Understand that it is consistent effort over time that will make you successful. Nothing else. Consistent effort over time will make you successful. Nothing else. I hope you got a lot out of this 5-minute mindset video, guys. It's all about how you position your thinking. That will be the determiner of whether you are successful or not. All right, I'll see you in the next one. Bye.